Hello everyone. Let's talk about the Eufy RoboVac 25C, a robot vacuum designed to make cleaning your home easier. This little gadget packs quite a punch for its price point. First off, the controls are super convenient. You can use the touch controls right on the vacuum itself, or if you're feeling lazy, and let's be honest, that's the point of a robot vacuum, you can use the Eufy Home app. Whether you're at home or miles away, starting a cleaning cycle is just a tap away. One of the best features is the boundary strips. If you have areas you don't want the RoboVac to venture into, just lay down these strips and it will avoid them. Plus, it's slim enough to get under most furniture, with a height of just 2.85 inches. The suction has been upgraded to 1,500 pascals, which is pretty impressive for a vacuum in this price range. The Boost IQ technology is another great addition. It automatically increases suction power when it detects areas that need extra attention. This means it can handle transitions from hard floors to carpets without missing a beat. It increases the suction within 1.5 seconds when extra vacuuming strength is needed. And don't worry about it sounding like a jet engine taking off in your living room. The RoboVac 25C is surprisingly quiet. It can run for up to 100 minutes on a single charge, and the noise level is comparable to a microwave. In the box, you get everything you need to get started. The RoboVac 25C, a remote control with batteries, a charging base, an AC power adapter, a cleaning tool, an extra set of high-performance filters for side brushes, and even some cable ties to keep things tidy. And it comes with a 12-month warranty. The Eufy RoboVac 25C is bagless, which makes it easy to empty. It's blue, and it has a disc filter type. It works well on hard floors and carpets. You can control it with a remote, touchpad, or buttons. It weighs 5.2 pounds. Overall, the Eufy RoboVac 25C is a solid choice if you're looking for an affordable and convenient way to keep your floors clean. It's easy to use, has good suction power, and comes with everything you need to get started.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.